everyone, please check your buying tickets. I know you don't do this, but the numbers are over here for your buying tickets. If you have them, please come to the bingo window. I have 3210, 3103, 3102, 3328, 3081, 3008, 3167.
Yeah, is that you?
3192. Please come to the window. If not, they're also posted right here on the side. And for information on game number 14, we always play that way. We got a race this week just because of the lucky sevens. No overlapping, no hard rate, no free space on the 6 card Jamboree. You should play the same way. The pattern on the computer will show the proper way how to win games as well. So if you never doubt, please check the pattern on the board.
Much better. I'm there. Hi guys. Our game starts in about 14 minutes, so let me just finish getting set up.
Check in the back. Check.
Check. Vegas was cool, but I just kept giving back. But you know me, I was like, let me just try one more time, and so then I just gave it all back. But aside from my funeral that I was there for, Vegas was amazing. I had a good time. So the schedule today is a little different. Hold on, hook up my mic. All right, mic check. Can you hear me? Thank you, Amy. I appreciate it. Fire, what's up? So, I didn't have a burger. I had chicken. Yeah. So today's game is a little different. Every single game is sevens or wild. So it's called Wild Seven. So that means every single game has a wild number of 7. But also, do you see? What's up, brother? Oh, yeah, I'm already live. It goes in and out. I used my hotspot on my phone, but that's about the only thing I know. Yeah. So wild sevens, and the way this works is that if you see every single game, every game 7 is wild, but there's another gold coin number after games number 3. Everything in red. So 4, 3, 6, 7, 9. If B7 comes out on that game, then they up the payout to 500. So a potential payout of 500 on all paper games with 5 Powerballs. Like, hello? Like, this is going to be a really good night for us. It's a nice way to come back. Okay. So let's see our Powerballs for today. And it's me, mom, and dad again today, guys. So.
And once again, for the people that were here earlier, on the 7s. So all 7s are wild.
I haven't done any yet.
So. Like these mark all the 7s and all the different games. And if I call the number that's on the side, that is a little coin, gold coin with the number. If I call that number at that game, then the jackpot is increased by $500. Okay? So all rounds are safe on all paper games. And if I call that number, that special number, that lucky number on that specific game. It has to be on that specific game, then the jackpot is increased by $500. I will let you guys know if the jackpot is increased by 500. Okay.
Buy or choose?
All right. Let's
No
start.
frame.
Powerball. First Powerball is B6, number 6.
6.
Extra strips. Extra strips. Extra strips.
Next one is B4, number 4.
Oh, we're in the B row. 4 and 6.
Next one is B13, 1, 3.
Mom, the parking spot.
Fourth one is O74, 74.
What? No.
And last but
All
not least,
B.
B2, number 2.
Hey, it's gonna be our game. So here, thank you. I appreciate you. Mom, one of the Powerballs, 13. Remember our parking spot? So all here, these are our Powerballs tonight. In the top left-hand corner, that pay out $11.99.
6, B4, B13, and O74 for $11.99.
And then B2. We just need one. Just need one. Just need one. Okay.
Check in the back.
Ladder clear.
I'm gonna do my wilds as I go. The last jackpot, so it's the smallest one. So there's gonna be 5 Powerballs tonight. If you bingo on any one of those numbers, it pays out $11.99, and then one of the numbers doesn't have an amount attached to it yet, so they'll announce that. Can I order something when you're ready, please? Can I do the chicken club, please, with a Diet Coke? Yeah. And that's all. Thank you, baby. Yeah, I just did it. Well, I already sublimos. Alright, let's just do the next one. Sevens are wild. Let's get as many done as possible. So here, do you play? Oh, okay. Green is outside picture. Oh, okay. Actually, I just ordered the chicken club with the fries. I did. Well, I appreciate you here, Ross, and everyone else that's in here. Thanks, guys. It feels good to be back. It's been so long, and it's only been like a weekend. So if you didn't know, because I also post pretty much everything on TikTok, but I've been sick this last weekend since last Thursday. I don't know whatever the hell I got. I think I may have got it, like brought it back from Vegas, but man, my body was just It was kicking my butt. And so yesterday I started feeling a lot better, but today is my first day outside the house, and it feels so good to be outside and to function. You know. But yeah, I don't wish my sickness on anyone except for the person who gave it to me. Okay, because I was doing just fine. Not for a tournament, but I've been to Vegas plenty of times to play like the bingos at the casinos, the regular bingos, and then also like for like other church and other fundraiser groups. But I haven't been to South Point. I haven't been to any of the big extravaganzas yet. But I will. Yeah, but I follow a bunch of folks and a lot of my mutuals, my other bingo community people. They go all the time, and I just watch them. All right, I'm good for the first three games. Right? Yeah. Yeah, that one. So South Point. Oh, I'm gonna make it there one day. If I can make it to the July one, then I'll do it. But I'm not tripping. Maybe November, maybe something else. Excuse me. Hi, Sally. Good luck to you, man. Are you in here or in the back? Okay. Good luck to you tonight. Okay. All my games are set. Girl, me too. What'd you say?
On game
Oh,
24, now that we're gonna go based on the dates.
yes.
So even or
I love
wild,
this. Fresca de soda
even or
water.
wild on this
One of my favorite drinks.
on the strip game file, okay? And once again, for anyone that just got here, sevens are wild in all paper games. If I call the number that is in the program, such as I-17, then the jackpot is increased by $500. Okay, so
Oh, I have
the
plenty of
sevens,
pull tabs.
and if I call a number that's in the program, specifically,
Well, I already have everything set up. Let me see if I can move it forward. I have my pull tab holder. I didn't buy anything online, so I got here, and this is what I got. So, yeah, these are all my pull tabs. These are the few that I have. And then it's also strips, so we have a bunch of strips too. So, yeah, we have plenty of chances to win. Okay. And then our strip games tonight. Woo! Thank you. Okay. She ready. I'll do all my other stuff. Bonanza and double actions, I can do those a little bit later. Alright. The very first game we don't have. It's a Safari 3 ball. We only got one of them. That one was sold out, so we have Lickety Split. We'll do the second game. Yes, tonight all of them except for two all pay out 1,000. The other pay out. The other two pay out 1,000. 75. So 75 gives you, because I bought two packs. So 75 gives you these two. Gives you two double actions. Gives you two bonanzas, and then it gives you a set of strip, which is 10. So 2 games of 5, right? Yeah. So 5 games of 2 strips each. So that's all in one buy-in, and I always buy 2. And then I buy pull tab and all that other stuff. On the flow. The Safari 3 balls first. Regina, thank you, thank you. All right, 601. We should
Check, main room.
Loud and clear. All right, it's that time, everyone. Like 3 minutes, we're a little bit late, but let's get started, everyone. Once again, thank you everyone for joining us. Sing with the high school bingo. Once again, all wild numbers are 7 on paper games. There's some games are gonna have 2 wild numbers. So I'll give you guys enough time
David,
to one.
what's up? Yes, Jason Bingos is here. I just saw that.
Wild numbers should be number 8.
We were in line together.
So that's making sense for us.
I see.
But I'll give you guys time to mark those out, so don't worry about it. All right? So let's get this started. Game number 1 is called Safari 3 ball.
All right, I don't have this one.
So number 8 was one. Once again, game number 1 is Safari 3 ball. Pays out $500. So number 8 is 181. Let's get this game started. First, number 11.
All right, I don't have this one, guys. So we'll wait for the next one. Safari 3 ball, Dad.
First number is 10. 10.
Guys, I'm finally able to set goals and do things on you. So thank you, man. So if you are able, please help us with the owl. Yeah, Dad, go ahead.
68, 6, 8.
I'm also still very new to this. I don't know what that means, but let's set a goal. Okay? Let's eat something real quick.
66, 6, 6.
Thank you, David.
51, 5, 1.
Oh, thank you, Auntie.
64, 6, 4.
I'll do it right now, Mom.
8, number 8. 49, 4, 9. 13, 1, 3. 77, 0.
Is it Vicky? Thank you, love.
72, 72.
Right back.
45, 4, 5.
That's good. I'm glad.
2, 6, 2. 26, 2, 6. 74, 7, 4.
We'll do the gray one at halftime. Okay.
67, 6, 7. Bingo's call. 67, please.
All right. Now.
I have Safaricom 181.
All right. Next
Sure,
game
number-
is Lickety Split.
2667.
All right, let's take a look.
Oh no, it's spring, but it's hella hot, so
We got 181.
that's why I'm in tank top and shorts.
We got Wow.
Okay, and this is an either or.
57 last.
Either or, but we need one on all
On
lines.
the
Okay.
All right, those games on this one.
Plus, I'm always hot.
All right, we have another tap from Lickety Split. Lickety Split also pays out $500. Server agent 230 for tap.
You start with my favorite color, purple. Thank you, Jenny. Oh. All right, let's go. Fire, let's go. Come on, guys.
First number is
Thanks,
9.
Gary.
Number 9.
Number 9. 46.
46, 4, 6. 71, 7, 1.
Thank you, guys. 6.
6, number 6. Take a last winner. 56, 5, 6.
Oh, my neighbors.
7, number 7. 31, 3, 1. 55, 5, 5. 28, 2, 8. 39, 3, 9. 27, 2, 7. Bingo's called to 27. Please go to card.
It's chasing the
230
bingo.
serial number.
This is
I have
bad.
727 39 56.
This is the
71.
closest one. These three. These are the closest one.
All right, we got 2, 3, 0. We got
Alright.
7, 27 last, 39, 56, and 71. Do we have any others?
Good for him. Good for them.
Those
Those people that were in line, their first time here, but they also do what I do online. So
All right, one last chat, one last time. Once again, 7s are your lucky, are your wild number on all
I haven't eaten anything yet, but I got the chicken club sandwich, guys. Oh, look at this. I'll take a bite.
$500. Okay, let's get it started.
We'll get into it on the next break. Okay, first game is 2-card double bingo, so I need 2 lines and 2 cards. So total 4 bingos, okay? Hi. Hella crunchy. Daddy mom? Yeah, I have one. I told you I got one of every number.
All right.
Oh man, my magenta is like almost out. Let's do
First
really
number's up. For game number 3, 2-card double go.
All right, let's go.
No corners. Game 7 is wild. First number is B6. Number 6. Powerbomb. G60. 6-0. And 43, 4-3.
All right, looking for 2-card double bingo.
Thank you, last winner. Oh, 70, 7-0.
Hi, Lucia. How you doing? Are you still at Disneyland?
Oh, 72, 7-2. I-30, 3-0.
Gotta take a break.
And 44, 4-4.
I'm bored. Hopefully you're enjoying yourself. But yeah, that part can take a lot out of you. It's the table, Dad.
B11, 1-1.
Girl.
Oh, 69, 6-9.
11, 6.
Increases.
Yeah, man, I did. You still calling?
Jackpot is increased by $500. What? Short everybody. B7 did come out. Alright. Give me a second. There we go.
So now that
the jackpot is
B7
increased
came
by
out,
$500.
now it goes up to $500. So it was 400, now it's 5. Good for you. Get you some rest, yeah. Amy, man, the fries are hella good.
Oh, the jackpot goes up to 500. Sorry. There we go. I was trying to give you guys more money, but it's not my money. Sorry, guys. All right, that goes up to $500. All right, last one. Next number. Next number is B13, 1-3 Powerball.
What?
B2, number 2 Powerball.
Just don't dap so hard.
Oh, 65, 6-5. G49, 4-9. I-20.
We're looking for 2 cards. Double. Straights only.
G50.
Mom. Oh, oi.
B4. Number 4. Powerbomb. Oh, 75. We have a volunteer going around selling additional double action and bonanza paper games. If you want to purchase additional games, they're going around.
Thank you, love.
Extra bonanza and double action games. Next number. Oh, 61. G52. 52. G53. 53.
2 card doubles.
Once again, we have volunteers going around selling additional strips. Our next strip game is Lucky Penguins. If you want to purchase additional strips, they're going around selling Lucky Penguins.
Right,
Next
right.
number, B9. Number 9.
I-25. Yeah, move him up. Thank you. You should have visited our table.
25. And 45. 45. Is that bingo? Where's the bingo? Right there.
Okay, chasing bingos. Go ahead, sir.
Larry Waves, do we have any others? All right,
And
let's
on
see.
this one, 74 is a wild Powerball.
Next number, B3. Number 3, we got people over here in the front.
All right, so now B12 here put me on for 74, and that's the Powerball.
We have 2 possible. What is your one?
All right, so 3 and then 12 is in the window. So now we.
Card number 22836.
All right, that's good.
I have another possible. I have
Sheesh.
card number 26405.
All right, now we're playing a strip
That's
game.
number 2.
I have a
We're
third
playing
possible.
Lucky Penguins.
Volunteers are coming out with your first tap game. 3's a charm for 3,000. 3's a charm for 3,000. I have a third possible. Card number 21032.
For the pull tab.
That's gonna be a wave on sound.
Lucky Penguins. All right, this is the way this one is played. It's either or numbers, and it's a blackout. So if they call 42 or 33, I just need one number. Okay. So I need all 5 squares to be blacked out. So 3 numbers on all 5 squares.
All right, that's number 3.
All clear inside.
All clear with one lid on the back?
I'll hear what you want in the back.
All right, 3 lucky winners. Love the game. All right, our next game is game 4, strictly called Lucky Penguins. Lucky Penguins is next. Big up $1,000 for Lucky Penguins strip.
Okay, Lucky Penguins.
Ready to go to the back.
Red car to the back. All right, first number's up for the Lucky Big Win strip. Game number 4. First number is 2525. 4141. 4242.
Oh, thank you, sis. I'm glad I'm feeling better.
Number 2.
To finally come out and play some bingo.
$44.
And then 20 after her, please.
12 1 2.
20, please. Yeah. Oh, sorry.
10 1 0.
15. I'm sorry. I'm just starting.
64 6 4.
Sharp the next time. Thank you. Okay, so finish right here.
53 5 3.
So I think we're good. Top card 20. I got 25.
66 6 6.
Remember, so it's either or. If I have one number, I don't need the other one.
57 5 7. 8 number 8. 9 number 9. 45 4 5. 16 1 6. 35 3 5. 55 5 5. 34
Just one, please.
4.
Lucky charm. One, please. Just please. Thank you.
5 number 5. 17 1 7.
65.
65 6 5.
Sheesh, not one number. Alright. Let's get on the next one.
63 6 3. 31 3 1. 62 6 2. 50 5 0. 69 6 9. Bingo's called at 69. Please.
Man, I got down to 3. 2 I's and 1 G.
I have Lucky Penguin Strip. I
Sheesh.
have 8, 12.
8, 12.
Ophelia, girl, you know that's what we're trying to do.
16.5.
Give me, was 18 or 30 called?
Oh
18
no.
or 30 was not called.
Oh, we still got a chance.
Wave off.
Never wait.
Oh, I still need
Off
one.
to your side.
Okay.
Back.
All right, let's continue.
20 or 19.
Thank you, last winners. Next number, 68.
Right.
6, 8.
Mom, you okay?
14, 1, 4. We got 38, 3, 8. $75, 7, 5. Three, number 3. 11, 1, 1. 54, 5, 4. 13, 1, 3. 26, 2, 6.
Hey, there's your 30. Of course, I don't remember that lady that missed.
30, 3, 0.
We want the back. We want the back.
All right, we have 2 possible winners.
Her number came back.
I have Lucky Penguin
So it
Strip.
got me down to
I have
2.
8, 12.
I needed I 20, 29 or 60, 7, 70.
31, 40.
And then this one, 23, 19 or 46 and 60. So
57,
57,
64, 69.
64, 69.
come on, we just need to get closer.
We're verifying ball strips, games. Please keep your voice to minimum. Once again, we're verifying strips. Please keep your voice
Popeye 4. Okay.
I have three.
So this is the next one. Popeye 4 quad bingo.
to mind.
This one pays out
Well,
500.
30,
16, 17, 30 last.
And these are our number 11, 24, 37, and
31, 34,
45,
45,
50,
That's me.
53, 57,
50,
we need some full-time monies, guys.
64, and 75.
64, 75. All good numbers for 2.
On here inside.
All there in one
How you doing, Frank?
All right, let's get through it.
Doing well. Good luck to you, Rick. Way good.
All right, our next game is game number 5. Game 5 is a tap game called Popeye Quad 4. Popeye Quad 4 is next game is $500. So number 0934 attacking called Popeye Quad 4.
All right, let's go.
Kitchen to the back, kitchen.
Kitchen to the back.
Ayala dough. I haven't even eaten my food yet. All right, come on. 11, 24, 37,
For Popeye
and
Quad
40.
4.
That's
For
it.
numbers 14, 1, 4.
Oh, my chance is only. Oh, my hold is only for 250.
41, 4, 1.
Oh,
57, 5, 7.
because I only have a $50 oil. I don't know. We'll see.
77, 0.
But 250 is a win.
58, 5, 8. 39, 3, 9. 29, 29, 18, 18, 8, number 8,
Jeez, they're calling our
5,
row,
number 5,
just not our number.
69, 69, 26, 26, 44 is rough. 73, 73, 44, 44,
Sheesh, not even one number, guys.
64, 64. Bingo's called 64. Please work hard.
Wow.
Take that winner.
16 numbers called, and I didn't get one.
Popeye 093,
Let's take a bite.
58, 64, and 70.
All right, let's take a look.
Ooh. Look at this. Look at this.
We got 3, 64 last, 70, and 58. Do we have any others?
All here in the back.
All right, close it. One right winner. Okay.
You took one for the team. Wow. I'm sorry.
All right, our next game is game number 6. 4 card 6 pack. Well, number 7 again. Once again, if I call I-17, then how's that work? If it's a while.
Payout will go up to
It goes up
$500.
back to go to 500. All right,
Yes,
there you go.
if I-17 comes down.
What's the while? It goes up on the
So here, my apologies.
No, it has to come out.
It's a while. I was going to come out. Oh, it has to come out?
Sir, you did it on the last
I want to give you guys money too. There we go. All right. Let's see if he comes up.
It's time to eat again. We snack throughout everything, okay?
All right. First number is up.
Except if you're fasting. Please don't snack.
Wild. Another wild, sorry. So let's do this. Second wild, 8. I'll give you guys time to mark all the 8s as well.
What?
So for game 6, wild numbers are 7 and 8s. Let me guys know. Okay?
He's doing 2 in wild numbers?
Really?
Yes.
Is that because of the monitor?
Yeah, the next game has 2 wild numbers.
Got it.
So today is
Well,
8,
there you
so-
go.
Okay, 7 and 8.
So 7 and 8.
And 8s are wild on game number 6. And if I-17 comes out, payout will be $500.
Okay, so it was originally just 7, but 8s are now wild. And we're looking for 4 cards. And I'm over because 4 cards, 6 pack, and I already have one guy. So it's hopefully
You
the
guys
other
ready?
one. What do you mean no? Come on Monday, just grab your papers, kid.
Taking a winner.
Daddy. With 7 and 8 wild, we have 1. So card is done. Okay. Oh, this one is done.
All right, so let's get going. Next number, our first number will be N41. 41.
Mom,
G 5555. O 6363. I 2525. And 3333. I 2121. And 3131. I 3330.
Looking for 4 cards. Okay, 4 cards, 6 pack.
O 6262. B 1010.
7 is wild.
B 1212. And 4040. Bingo's called 40. Please on your card.
No, Dragon, I haven't yet. You said 5? Oh, okay. And I know exactly the one that you're talking about, that one on orange.
We have a second possible.
And you
Card
guys,
number 26403.
don't press so hard here and there on the table. That's why it's so
I have
squeaky.
another one.
I'll try to figure it out afterwards. But when you guys owe me, like, watch. Yeah. See, I don't do anything, but
And
when
the
you owe
next
me,
one
it makes
is
a noise.
19235.
And that's good for 2. Do we have any others?
I'm gonna have to try it.
All clear.
All right.
Okay, so now we're looking for
6
6
cards.
cards.
6 cards, 6 packs. Same paper, 6 numbers. Now 6 cards, 6 packs. Same paper, 6 numbers. No, not yet. All right, first number's up. For game number 7. 6 cards, 6 packs. All right, first number is G5454.
Volunteers coming out with your next tab. Lightning Elvis for 2500. Lightning Elvis for 2500.
O 7575. G 5050.
Mom, Dad, you guys okay?
Oh, 7171.
Didn't 27 come out?
Here it goes.
I thought it was 27.
17's coming up, so it goes up to payout to $500.
I don't know what he's doing, but we'll trust him.
I 2626. Bingo's called 26. Please put a card.
Sheesh.
Card number 20556.
They don't have it, Dad.
We're playing 6 cards, 6 rounds.
Give off.
Wow. All clear in the back?
All clear the back.
All right. Let us continue.
You cool.
Next number is 83, number 3. And 4444. And 3636. G 5656. G 5252. B 5, number 5.
39. 39.
And 3939. I 16. Well, 6. Bingo's called 16. It's very hard.
I have card number 24643.
34 or 5959, and then help.
Give it to me one more time.
I have card number 24643.
There we go. All right, let's
I
go.
have another one.
Sheesh. I needed three more
Card
numbers.
number 24788.
And that's good for 2. So we have
All clear inside, all clear the back.
all right, let's get to that part. Okay.
Also, just a heads up, game number 9, which is going to be our green paper. We are adding a second wild, which will be 8. Wild number 8. So we'll have 7 and 8 as wild numbers. That's for game number 9. Big Fish will be playing next, but those who want to get started on the wild numbers, 7 and 8 will be wild for game number 9.
The outside picture frame, 7 and 8, Mom. Big fish. Yeah, this one. They look the same. Like this. All right, big fish, guys. Big fish. $11.99. Let's get a winner, okay? Yeah, 7 and 8, Mom.
First number is up for Big Fish. Big Fish first number is 2222.
2-2.
2727. 9. Number 9. 3636. 4141. 7575. 2525. 2121.
Say 17? No.
3434.
Oh, not one number here, guys.
5353. 2828. 5555. 3131.
538.
1. Number 1.
73. 1230.
6565.
Not one number.
2626. 1111. 6767. 3232.
That is outside picture frame.
5757.
Quick build.
5858.
20 numbers, not one. Okay, finally in the end. I think someone got it.
5. Number 5. Bingo is called on 5. Please go to mark.
Wow, my first number, and then
532, 5367.
Looks good. Let's take a look.
Up here inside.
All through the back.
you know what you're playing, right?
680. We got 5, 1, 32, 53, and 67. All good numbers. Close game. 1 with the winner. All right, as mentioned before, next game is game number 9. 1 card outside picture frame. 12 numbers are 7 and 8. 7 and 8. 1, 7 and 8.
All right, y'all. Let's help me reach my goal, please. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so the next game, guys, we are playing 1 large picture frame, and then the wilds are 7 and 8. Okay. So the way this one looks. Okay, so the way this looks, we're only looking for numbers on the outside, all right? So nothing on the inside. This is what we're looking for. This is our pattern. Also, it's right up here behind me on the big screen. Oh, there's where the big TV monitor is. And then right there in green, that's the pattern, okay? We're gonna use a different color. Let's do teal.
Take a last winner.
Okay, large picture frame. Hi, Kiki. Thank you, sis. I appreciate you.
All right, you guys ready? All right.
Joshua, what's up, man? How you doing? Okay, we're looking for 1 large outside picture frame, 7 and 8 are wild.
First number. All right, first number is up. First number is 07070.
For this game, if N37 comes out, we'll increase our payout again to $500.
Next number, I-2222. And 3434. And 3333.
Double action. Bonanza.
I-1616. I-2929. And 4545.
Okay, just one large picture frame.
And 3131.
Credit card to the bank.
Sorry, the credit card you said?
Yes.
Credit card to the back. Next number is 4141. I-2121.
Double action.
I-2424. And 4444. I-2020. B2, number 2, Powerball.
10.
B10, 10.
Excuse me.
I-19, 19. And 3636. G 4949.
49. Highest all the way to 14.
B 1414. Oh, 6161. Oh, 7171. G 6060. Last call for Swag My Tail. Let's go around. Last call for Swag My Tail.
Hi, Gino. How you doing, sis?
Next number, G 5959. O 7373. O 6969. G 5353.
Three.
B 9. Number 9. And 4242. G 4646.
Take all the
37 did pop up, so the jackpot goes up to $500, everyone. There we go. There we go. B 12 1 2.
It's like all the wrong. Or all the
G
neighbors.
5252. O 7575. G 5454.
Volunteers going out the next tab. Horse and around for 2,500. Horse and around for 2,500.
Alright, let's win some so we can buy some. Okay.
B6, number 6, power bomb. O 6666. And 4040.
Howdy, Mom.
O 6262. It goes call 62. Please wait a minute.
Joe.
Winning card.
Card number 19066. 19066.
All right, then we have it. Do we have any other?
All pair intent,
Sheesh.
all pair in the back.
Red, close me. My left winner. Close game. All right, swag my tail, strip it next. Swag my tail, strip it next.
Alright, swag my tail strip. Okay, so this is another game like double action. Either
Last
or,
call,
okay?
swag my tail.
So either or on this one. So you have a big free space here, but I just need one or the other. But all these numbers I have to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, I have the blackout. Okay.
First number's up for swag my tail. First number is 28 to 8. $63, 6, 3. Thank you, last winner. $23, 2, 3.
What? 23 and 28, Mom.
6, number 6.
What? No.
15, 1, 5. 27, 2, 7. 11, 1, 1. 64, 6, 4. 66, 6, 6. 9, number 9. 8, number 8. 38, 3, 8.
Credit card to the back.
Credit card to the back. 4, number 4. 10, 1, 0. 46, 4, 6. 67, 6, 7. 61, 6, 1. 33, 0. 70, 7, 0. 53, 5, 3.
Person around.
31, 3, 1. 33, 3, 3. 62, 6, 2.
1,
42, 4, 2. $47, 4, 7. $68, 6, 8. $16, 1, 6. $74, 7, 4. $55, 5, 5. Number 5. $55, 0. $21, 2, 1. $7, number 7.
Yeah, I think it got down to two numbers. I needed 2660 or 35 and 36. Two numbers.
4, 7, 9.
Sheesh.
16, 27, 28.
33, 42, 45.
45 was not wrong.
Come on now, let's go. I still got a chance.
Wave off.
We're going to be wrong.
Come on, let's go. Still got a chance.
Let's continue.
32. Come on, 36. 35, 26, 20.
Next number up,
Come on.
which is 32.
Being on the back.
32 equals 32.
Look at that. That sets me up.
So we have
So count.
35, 36.
21, 23, 30,
That's crazy.
21, 23, 30.
32, 33,
32 last, 33.
42, 38.
42, 38.
Another free spot at the G.
Free spot.
Horsing around.
62, 63,
62,
64,
64,
and 66.
and 66.
Look at it.
For your insight,
35, 36.
Yeah, 35.
One number.
All clear. Close the game. All lucky winners in the back room.
So next one is a crazy letter 7. A crazy 7. Let me finish my wilds.
Okay, very good. All right. Ready?
Alright, two
Right.
card
Next
crazy
game, number
7.
11. 2 card crazy 7. Once again, wrong number 7 for that game.
Gabby to the back.
Gabby to the back.
middle board.
Yes. Wait 1 second.
Okay, so this one is the number 7, guys. Okay, so number 7.
All right.
Okay, so like this. Well, you know what a number 7. It can just be a diagonal line. It has to be a diagonal line and any outside line. Okay. And we need 2 of those cards. 2 cards.
First number's up. For 2 card crazy 7. Outside corners are free. All right, first number is B5, number 5. I-2828. O-6969. O-6868. And 3838. O-6565. B2, number 2. Powerbomb. Wow, comes up to 47, so the jackpot goes up to $500. O-6363. I-1818. G5858. G6060.
Person around to the back meeting room. Person around to the back meeting room.
O-6161. Bingo's called. 61. Please hold your card.
Man. Right. Be over there.
We have two
Cash ball.
card crazy 7.
2 cards.
Give me 1 second.
Thank you, love. Thank you, sis.
Card number 22951. I have middle left
What's up?
with
What's up?
471.73.
Yeah.
Are free.
She got
And
it.
I have
She got it.
bottom right with 470 and 62.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Do we have any others?
All clear.
Sheesh. Okay.
All clear the middle.
All right. Close the game.
Now we're doing an owl dab. Yep. Red one, what's a pink
All right.
paper?
Our next game is 12. Outbound. Student number 8 did it. 7308. Make sure this number is 7308 on the outbound.
7308. Okay. Owl dab. That's a blackout. Today's wild. Today's date is wild. 18. So all even numbers are wild.
And even numbers are wild.
Even numbers are wild. Yeah.
Can you repeat that number again, please?
Sure. Student number is 7308. We're playing 7308.
7308.
And the even numbers are wild.
All right, let's play this here while I do my wilds for the next game, which is
All right,
7
you ready?
yellow.
8, 12, all down. Strip. First number's wild. Next one's wild. All right, first number's up. Here we go. First number is 23, 2, 3.
Oh, here we go. You guys play 23. Don't have it.
49, 4, 9. 13, 1, 3. 43, 4, 3. 65, 6, 5. 11, 1, 1.
Volunteers coming off your next tab, dab it for 1,500. Dab it for 1,500.
41, 4, 1. 67, 6, 7.
9 is my only B.
1, number 1. 51, 5, 1.
Wait, thank you. 51.
59, 5, 9.
We got lucky bucks.
Take last winner.
57.
53, 5, 3. 39, 3, 9. 63, 6, 3. 29, 2, 9. 55, 5, 5.
20, please. Thank you.
35, 3, 5. 61, 6, 1. 71, 7, 1. 15, 1, 5. 19, 1, 9. Bingo, 19. Then now you might have to use Lizzie's microphone. Or get a battery.
What?
Or battery night. Right here.
Yeah, they're here.
I'm on my
I saw
way.
them earlier.
Under the water.
I have Aldab Strip 308.
308.
It's down to 4 numbers.
I have odd numbers. I have 61,
61.
943,
What was another one?
943.
Number 9.
Yes.
9 was not called.
No 9?
No 9.
Oh.
All right, I'm waiting on 9.
No 9.
969. I still need 4 numbers. They only need 1. No, they never called it.
They called it.
I didn't know it. Yeah. They didn't call no 9. 19.
Can you hear me?
Y'all remember 9?
Can you hear me?
A little bit.
Okay, wave off.
All right, all clear?
All clear.
Can you double check? I don't think they called number 9. Can you just double check for me, guys? They did it, Ruby. Thank
Is
you.
Linda still over there?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just gonna be in the middle.
All right.
I thought so.
All right. Next number, 25. 25.
Number 17.
This is over.
I'm over here too.
Okay. 17. 1 7.
I have a bingo in the back room.
We go 17. 1 second. Hold on. Let me just give you a box right here. Okay.
I have number 3. Give me a second.
Get closer.
308.
308.
I have 1535.
1535.
71.
75.
23.
23.
51.
51.
It's so crazy, guys. Yeah, like with
43.
the
49.
amount of Powerball that they have,
And 51.
I haven't hit yet.
On parent side, actually.
Clear. All right.
Oh, it's coming. All right, so the next game we're looking to play is One Large Crazy Kite, which is a
All
corner
right. Next game.
block of 9,
1 large.
and then 1 diagonal. Okay.
1 large crazy kite.
1 large. Can I have 1, please?
Once again,
Push it around.
keep your voices to minimum. Volunteers will be there as soon as we can.
I'm back.
All right. Game 13. 1 large crazy kite. If the call G57 or 57 pops up.
Okay, so 1 large crazy kite, guys, and 7's a wild again. So again, it's a corner stamp. I mean, a corner block of 9 with a diagonal line going any direction.
First number is
Hey, that's it. Am I out?
First number is I-18. 1-8. I-25. 2-5.
Yeah, those debit tickets are hella hard to get.
And 31. 3-1. B8. Number 8. I-23. 2-3. B3. Number 3.
Oh, God. That's all you need, Mom.
I-28. 2-8. G 4646. I 2424. G 5252. B number 1.
Alright, guys, looking for one large crazy kite.
G 5353.
Dad, just don't hold me so hard. Say sorry. Harus ka bungo.
I 2020.
No one's paying attention to you. Just play.
B 1111.
Alright, come on. Big guy.
There's some gabbing still going around. Next number in 4242. Oh, 7474. Powerball.
I think it's like the first time that number's come out. Or maybe I think I'm just always waiting for that number.
And 4040. B4, number 4. Powerball. And 3333.
Volunteers going out their next tab, spare change for 1,500, spare change 1,500.
Yes, 57. So now it's increased to 500, everyone.
I got all 50 up to $2,000.
Next number 3030. 4444. 3434.
56. Two
G
numbers.
5656.
Two numbers, guys.
Bingo's called on 56. Please order cards. We have bingo here in the front.
Yeah, I only needed 66 and 69. Ongo, wave up. Look, there's only two O's that they had. I'm sure they did. It's the other way.
Number
Yeah,
24195.
because they get all the B's and the I's. Oh, what do they do? They only have a block of 9. No, but they have a block of 9. I know. That's what I'm saying. They don't have it. Why? No,
Give up.
they don't got it. They still need to go. I need two old. 66 and 69. That's all I need.
All right. First, next number is G 49 49.
Coyote, mom.
And 39 39. And 45 45. Bingo on 45. Where's the bingo?
10 and 26.
Right there.
10 or 26. 66, 69.
I have
Carl, thank you. I appreciate you.
551. I have another.
Do you have it?
It's clear wave.
Clear waves in the back as well.
Oh, no one bingo yet.
It's a wave off.
No one bingo.
Let's continue.
Da Carol was saying. No, that Carol is Peppa. Peppa some summer.
Next number 16.
Bingo in the back.
16.
I'm ready. 21012.
There we go. I got it.
Off here inside.
All clear with one.
Okay. That one's done. Next game is 6-card triple dot.
Wait, 1 minute.
So game. I'll let you win it. Okay.
No dessert, just my drink. But I need. Oh, you know what? I had candy.
6 card put up.
Triple dot time. So these are my desserts. I have candy from Hawaii. This is one of my favorite ones. So. Yum. So this is my dessert. Oh, hey, sevens are wild.
6 card triple out. Hard way.
6-card triple dot. Sevens are wild. I didn't even do any of my wilds.
Wild number 7. Oh, 67 to get increase to 500. All right, let's get started. First number zone.
That one's done.
First number is I 29 29.
29.
B1 number 1. I 22 22. G 51 51. G 50 50. And 38 38.
6 cards bomb, yeah.
I 18, white 8. And 36, 3, 6. I 30, 3, 0. I 26, 2, 6.
Yeah, I'm good then. Thank you.
Oh, 67. So the jackpot goes up. Oh, to $500. Thank you. Blair. Woohoo! Next number. Oh, 65, 65. Thank you, that's Blair. And 45, 4, 5. And 34, 3, 4. B5, number 5. G 58, 5, 8.
Oh, no. I needed 20, guys. 20. And bingo. Look at that. 20 took me out on both cards. Sheesh. Oh, let me make sure I don't have anything.
Card number 22393.
All right, let's go for 1.
Man.
Card number 22819.
Yeah, look at it. This one right here, I had them on 4 cards.
Here I have another
I had
one.
4 cards. 20 at the top on both cards takes me out. The same numbers. Crazy.
21019.
210.
Wave off.
All right. Any others?
All through the back.
All right, let's be 2. Lucky winner.
Okay, Marble Flash. It's $11.99.
Yes.
It's another 7.
Spare change to the back meeting room. Spare change to the back meeting room.
Marbles, $11.99.
All right, next 15, tapping called Marbles Flash.
Let's go.
Marbles Flash.
While I tab my numbers.
Serve number 885.
This one is a 4 card block for 7 to 1.
Nice.
Horsing around.
First number is 3535. 2626. 4444. 2828. 2929. 2222. 4646. 2, number 2. 3838. Can I have a credit card machine to the front?
All parent volunteers to the back meeting room. All parent volunteers to the back meeting room
Number 5.
for break.
Break time. All parent volunteers to the back, please. Break time. Next number, 59, 59.
Anything, guys? Hey, what's up?
72, 72.
64. All right, let's play.
61, 61. 12, 1, 2. Once again, all parent volunteers to the back. All parent volunteers to the back. 19, 1, 9.
Still nothing. Still nothing.
70, 7, 0. 62, 6, 2.
Hey, what is this?
74, 7, 4.
Let's do this.
27, 2, 7.
How's Oasis?
69, 6, 9. 3, number 3. 32, 3, 2.
Listen, you should still go, but let's be now.
17, 1, 7.
Okay, whatever. First number. First number.
64, 6, 4.
Look at that. On the 24th, and then someone just said next number.
11, 1,
Bingo
1.
in the back.
Sure. Well, we finna make that happen, okay? Oh, good. I'm glad. I'm glad, sis. Y'all look like y'all had fun. So,
Last call for chicken strips. Last call for
chicken strips.
What is chicken strips?
Bok bok. Come on, chicken strip.
Chicken strips.
Chicken strip. Play just like double action again, guys. So either or on the numbers, and it's blackout whole thing. Okay.
Marble Flash 538.
1,
I have 2 winners.
2,
I have 11, 19,
11, 9. They go last. 19,
32, 70,
32, 70.
11 last,
11 last.
29, 35,
29, 35.
61.
Let me get a little bottom out burger or my sandwich.
I'm here with 2 winners.
Thank you. Last call for chicken strips, everyone. Last call.
That call.
Hey, last winner. We got 538. We got 11 last. 19, 32, 70 for one. We got 538.
So crunchy.
We got 11, 29, 35, and 61 for 2. Clear main hall. Close the gate. 2 got the winners. All right, chicken strips is next. Chicken strips is next. My recommendations: do not wait till the last second to purchase strips. Please purchase it beforehand. As right now, we just right now going to get more, so please avoid the inconvenience of discounts. Please purchase it beforehand. Thank you very much. All right, first numbers up for chicken strips. First number is 65, 65. 1, number 1. 25, 2, 5. 63, 6, 3. 6161. 5353. 7575. 3434.
So we
10
gotta
1
get
0.
we gotta get you the bingo this Friday, okay? So, guys, we gotta get a bingo. So you can go
5555.
making this happen, okay?
2424. 1414. 7 number 7. 69 69.
Thank you, Ryan Vibes. I appreciate you.
7070. 4040. 8 number 8. 2020. 4444. 4949. 4 number 4. 1919. Thank you, last winner. 3939.
2 N's, 2 G's.
6767. 5151. 5757. 5959. 5 number 5. 5656. 3535.
Fuck, I already did.
2929.
Show me. 3641.
5050. Bingo's called on 50.
Oh. Look at that. 3641. One number.
732.
No, po kasi. No. 36 or
Chicken
41.
strips.
Chips.
One number.
I have
No good. No good.
1 8
1 8.
7 14.
7 14.
Free spot, 34,
36,
40,
41.
39. I have 56,
56,
50 last,
50 last,
53,
53,
and 51.
51.
And another big free spot.
Sheesh.
All clear inside, all clear inside.
So close. So close.
All right. Next game is game 17.
All right, on to the next one. Four card block of four. So 4 cards stamp collection. Okay. So we need a stamp collection.
It is 4 card block of 4. When this game is over, do not throw those figures away.
Okay. And then continue on to 6.
4 card block of 4.
Kitchen in the back, please, kitchen.
I think this one is almost done.
First numbers up. For 4 card block of 4.
Let's finish.
First number is at 38. 38. Take the last winner. B12, 1, 2. B8, number 8. And 44, 0. And 45, 4, 5.
You know we don't stress. Well, we stress, but we don't trip. It's coming. It's coming.
I 25, 2, 5. And 43, 4, 3. I 22, 2, 2. G 53, 5, 3. And 34, 3, 4. Oh, 77, 0. B2, number 2. Powerbomb. G 58, 5, 8. And 35, 3, 5. Oh, 63, 6, 3.
Just 4, huh? 4.
Oh, 6161. Bingo's called on 61. Please mark your card.
Who called it?
Wait on. Let's continue. Off there in the back.
Off in the back.
All right, next number. And 36. 36. Bingo's called on 36. We have three possible winners.
Card number
I had three.
25801.
Ay, me cold. That's not good.
That's good for what?
All right, now we're looking for 6 cards. Okay, so I had 3 cards already. So now we need this card to run.
22382.
6. Okay.
Once again.
22382.
22382.
Let me go back on that one. Verify another one for me.
Okay.
19393.
Sounds good.
Okay.
Back to that one.
Go back to the 22382.
What was it again?
22382.
All right.
So wave off.
All
I
right.
only have
Do we
2.
have any others?
Off in the back.
All right, let's go.
All right.
Let's run.
So to be 2 lucky winners. Claire has to have their card back.
6 card down.
Because we're gonna play 6 card lucky 460 for 6 words. She's coming. I'll wait.
Credit card to the back, please.
All right. Now we're gonna 6 card lucky board. Same paper, same numbers. First number's already up. First number is I-18. 1-8. Once again, we're playing 6 card block of 4, same paper, same numbers. And 44, 4, 4. And 42, 4, 2. Oh, 62, 6, 2. B1, number 1. B4, number 4, power bomb. I 16.
Bingo in the
1, 6.
back.
Bingo's called 16.
Bingo in the back. We have 21007.
All right, there we have it. Do we have any others?
Off here inside.
We have 1.
Off in the back of the one, and we need a credit card.
You're on break right now, so they have to wait for the come back. Closing game, 1 lucky winner.
All right. Sorry.
It is exactly 8 o'clock. We'll be back at 8:50.
Okay, it is break time. Man, let me do the rest of my wild before I forget. Okay, then. All right, let me go get Dad some coffee real quick. I'll be right back, guys, and undo all my wilds. Let's send some love, please. Oh, they have hot chocolate now. Very interesting setup. Thank you. Girl, not yet. You? All right, well, so we know that last one is what 950. There's still something that on top of the payout. Okay. Still in the restroom. All right, guys. Right back. I'm gonna go help mom. You know they have they have hot chocolate too. Bro, I tell you, if you don't want coffee, they have hot chocolate. I love my God. Well, then give your coffee to mom. No, I just got it. I just brought it to him. You want hot chocolate? Yeah. They ran out. they're all empty. What do you want to eat? One or two All right. Yeah. Jessica, thank you. Thanks, guys. Sorry, I had to help mom back from the restroom and then make dad some tea. And I'm gonna take care of business real quick before we start the second half and do little laps around these chairs because hello, we need to yell. You know what I'm saying? I'll try that. All right, I'll be back.
Just another reminder, our double action game will have 7 and 8 as a wild number. So double action game 20. Double action game will be 7 and 8. Game 23, game 20. Game 22, double action. 7 and 8 are wild. 7 and 8 are wild. Game 22. Bonanza, the same as it says on the program, all even, and so yes, Bonanza, all even, and all numbers ending in 7 are wild. Just how it says on the program. Now we're gonna go ahead and do our free dinner raffle for next week. go ahead and have your buy-in ticket ready. The small blue buy-in ticket, have it ready for our winners. Okay, first winner is gonna be 3023. 3023. Buy-in ticket 3023. Do I have that winner? Back room? No.
This was even and sevens, huh?
3023. Okay. Next one, I have 3046. 3046. Bring it up. Next one, I have 3141. 3141. I have 3038. 3038. Last one, 3114. 3114.
I have that one.
Okay, please bring it up.
What's next? Oh, California Gold, and then a letter X. Letter X.
Alright, are you guys ready for our second half of the night?
Yes. Let's get some wings.
We got 2 minutes. Please find your way to your seats, everyone. 2 minutes.
Come on, let's get some wings, guys. You like the tea? I think you have to go early because now they have 2 tables out there. Yeah. Mm-hmm. They have the hot water, 2 hot chocolates, the coffee, but the hot chocolate has been gone. I don't think they refill.
All right. Welcome everyone to the second half. I have to prepare my balls for the second set.
Jesse, not yet. Thank you, sis. Thank you.
Is a tactic called
California Gold, 5 number. That's something about 2,000. Let's get a win. Come on, let's get a win. Let's get a win. While I do my wilds, okay?
First numbers up. First number is 3. Number 3. 73. 73. 13. 13. 68. 68. 56. 56. 10. 10. 72. 72. 34, 3, 4. 26, 2, 6. 43, 4, 3. 22, 0. 38, 3, 8. 2, number 2. 59, 5, 9. 48, 4, 8. 36, 3, 6. 35, 3, 5. 54, 5, 4. 11, 1, 1. 55, 0. 71, 7, 1. 9, number 9. 19,
May
1,
go to
9.
the back.
Go to the back, 19, please bring it up.
Look at that. Neighbors on every single one of the last ones left on my paper. All my neighbors were called out. See? The 1, 2 was up there. 41. Oh,
I have
40's in the
3,
window.
2, 7,
51.
9,
50.
19,
Look at that. Look at that.
34, 59, 72.
All right, let's take a look.
Having all my wild numbers left for the rest of the game.
We got 9, 19 last, 34, and 59. 72. All right, all clear. Close the game. One lucky winner in that room.
Volunteers coming on the next tab, Cherry Pickens for 1,500. Cherry Pickens for 1,500.
All right, next game is game 20. One card letter X. One card letter X. Once again, file number is 7.
Credit card to the back, please.
Credit card to the back.
Okay, let's play. One card, letter X.
First number's up.
Let's do sky blue. 2, 3.
Last call for Crazy Coyote. Last call for Crazy Coyote. We're gonna do that next after this game. Last call. First number is B3. Number 3.
One card, letter X.
Credit card to the back.
Yes.
Next number, 0770.
41's in there.
B6, number 6, Powerball.
And there's 5 Powerball, guys. Come on, just, I need to win one. At least one,
I-29, 29. I-16, 16. B12, 1, 2. I-28, 2, 8. G58, 5, 8.
Cherry picking.
O63, 6, 3.
Cherry picking.
B5, number 5. B10, 1, 0. Once again, last call for Crazy Coyote. Strip, bring it to that next. Last call.
Cherry.
G56, 5, 6. G50, 5, 0.
Cherry picking. Cherry.
G59, 5, 9. Bingo's call. 59, please fire.
Five value.
Bingo here, 28.
66. She. Hi, how you doing, love?
Card number 21041.
Hold on.
21041.
21041.
Bottom right.
No.
You have the last number 49.
Oh, she didn't bingo. You can't bingo on out that last number. It can't be the outside. She missed it.
But your last number, Sam.
And that was 45.
No,
No.
that was the end. No ends. So the number before that. 63.
63.
Oh, 69. I think they missed it.
Here we go.
59. 59 was the last number.
Correct. 59 was last.
Jen, at St. Joseph. St. Joseph in Lakewood.
21041.
There we go.
Sounds good. Did 27 come out?
27 did not come.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you.
So why do you have it lit?
Even though it's
Oh,
wild.
it's wild. That's why.
That's why. Jackpots.
Yes, that's why.
I'll clear it up.
All clear the back.
All right.
What's next? Strip game, Crazy Coyote. Hey, yo, listen.
Crazy Coyote strip is next. Crazy Coyote
20?
strip is next.
Yeah, 20 or no?
Crazy Coyote.
Come on, Crazy. Okay, Crazy Coyote. This is that either or. Hi, Sandra. Either or, you need 3 dots on all 5 parts.
First number is 45. 4, 5.
Credit card to the back, please.
Credit card to the back.
What is it? 45.
52, 5, 2.
45.
26, 2, 6.
2, 6. 52.
15, 1, 5.
15,
Credit card to the bank. They're on their way. Next number, 7373. 1616. 7272. 3232. 4646. 4444. Thank you, last winner. 5454. Last call for double action. Once again, last call for double action. Written there next after this game. Next number, 6. Number 6, left. 6363. 6060. 5555.
Double action. 5.
5050. 5757. 4747. 6464. 3. Number 3. 2. Number 2. 6262. 1010. 2323. 1212. 2727. 1717. 6161. 5353. 1414. 7474.
Oh my gosh. Never forgot these solos. 33. Well, not never, but this is first one.
2222.
For the news outlook.
2929.
Got it. That's my number. Got it.
3333.
Bingo!
We go
Girl, About time. Do you know how long we've been
I have
waiting,
Crazy
guys?
Coyote, 326,
326.
55,
We finally broke this losing streak.
55,
8 and 25.
1246,
1246.
74,
Hopefully it's just us, guys.
644,
Thank you. Thank you.
54,
54.
1546,
1546.
64.
64.
All clear inside?
There we
All
go.
clear back.
All right, those eight. One last winner. Once again, last topic of action.
Okay. Yes. So whatever tabs are left, can you send them this way? Curve. Yeah. Can I get 48? Thank you. Okay.
7 and 8.
You do 48 each. Yes, please. Okay.
You guys got the number 8 as well. 7 and 8. One.
7 and 8.
All right, you guys ready?
Yep.
30 square change.
Okay.
You want 40?
Yeah. Yes, please. Okay. 7 and 8.
First number is 1.
Yes.
First number is
7.
or no action.
Thank you. Okay.
First number is I-2525.
Here we go. That's just for you, okay?
B-1414.
Thank you. 25 and 14. 25.
And 3131.
31. 7 and 8.
I-2323.
23. 7 and 8.
I-1616.
What do you have? Check. I got that already. 9.
B9, number 9.
Thanks, guys. Thank you. Thank you. 7 and 8. Let's put these away real quick.
G4949.
49.
I-2626.
26.
And 4545.
Do you have any of the other ones? The horse or any of those bigger with the Elvis and stuff? Yeah.
Oh, 7272.
Girl, I told you we had a bingo.
I-2020.
To buy pull tabs, and we did. So let's get whatever's left while I keep up.
And 3332.
Right, Gina, hella broke that streak. You don't know how long it is since I think the last time I won it was at 23.98.
Oh, 7474. Powerball.
How many? One more?
Oh, how many you have? Whatever you have. Oh, can I get 4?
And 4444.
Thank you. 4, 73. Mom, you want horsing around again or no?
Oh, 7373.
61. All right, let's make sure I didn't miss anything.
Oh, 6161.
61 and 29.
I-2926.
Last year was 1,000. Yeah, so we paid out 1,000. But I claimed the 11.99, even though we're gonna win number 2.
B3, number 3.
6, 43. Can I get 10, please?
And 43, 4-3.
Thank you, love. You too. All right, let me open these.
B10, 1-0.
62.
O 62, 62. G 51, 5-1.
All right, we got a number. We're in the game.
G 54, 5-4. Bingo's called on 54.
Jeez. All we needed was that one
And
number.
37 was called. Regular one.
Look at that. We're in the game. We got 2 numbers. These games I have never won. It pays out 2,500. So just get a number, guys. If I can get it, would what? No?
All right, we have a number.
Ooh,
Back row.
ooh,
All right, close the game. We'll look at it.
just saw. Who is it?
Next game is game 23. 4-card Jamboree. 4-card Jamboree. Ball number 7. Also, last call for Bonanza.
Can I get 2, please? Just 2. Yeah. Thank you, man. Alright, so this one is 4. Thank you. 4-card Jamboree. So they're crazy. So a line in and out, one more stuff, or 6-pack. Any of those patterns. One more,
4-card
please.
Jamboree. And then call G47 for
Just one.
increased jackpot.
Thank you, love. Okay, so only 4-card Jamboree, line in and out, corner stamp.
First up is up.
I'm not trying to multitask. Good thing I did all my wilds.
First number is 07575. I 2929.
Cherry pickets to the back meeting room. Cherry pickets to the back
My
meeting
God,
room.
we finally broke our losing streak.
B10, what's your round?
So my aunt came earlier and gave us some lucky bucks. I gotta go back and return the love.
I 2626.
26.
07474 Powerball. B9, number 9.
9.
I 2121. G 5656.
2. Hi Renee. How you doing, love? Welcome, baby.
I 1818.
Do you have any plans for your weekend? 56 and then 18.
Oh, 62, 6-2.
62.
I 16, 1-6.
Looking for 4-card Jamboree, which is they're crazy. One card.
B4, number 4, card off. G48, 4-8. And 40, 4-0.
4-card, guys. 4 cards.
I 28,
Be on the
2-8.
back.
Oh man, I had 2 cards.
All right.
Oh, that got way.
22995.
Irony. Ruby is doing amazing, but it's so good to see you too, sis. Girl, we just won. It took us like more than halfway through the second half, but hey, a win is a win, and we got to buy ourselves $1,000 strip.
We have a second
All
possible.
right, go ahead, verify while I open up these tabs, because
Does Claire wait with it? Yes, it is.
She waits, but I have another.
Okay. Go ahead, Linda.
Wait long.
Okay. Remote.
can I get 3, please? Cherry, may I have 3, please? 48 top row. Oh, see, this one I had a 6-pack, so that one's good. So I didn't need that number. I just need any one of those patterns, a line, in and out corners, or a 6-pack corner set. Any of
So, we
those
have them in room?
on all on 4 different
No,
papers.
up here.
Also, no bingo. Oh, come on, Dad, let's go. Dad is waiting. 60. No bingo, so game
Next
continues.
number is G60.
Bingo in the back.
60.
Ah.
60
I'm ready, Sam.
in the back room. Go right ahead.
22214.
How many twos? 3?
No, you're good. All good.
All right, there we go.
Oh, nice.
Up here.
It's you, sis. It's you.
All right. Okay, well, let's go.
Just confirming, 43 did, just kidding, 47 did not come out, correct?
That is correct. 47.
Thank you.
Rápida.
All right, now next. First time,
All right, Aldad.
7347. Also, last.
Bring it, I'll
call,
play
we're
it.
gonna answer.
Or mom, yeah. Whichever one. Alright, we're playing the last of the Owl Dab, and today, Even's a wild, huh, mom? This one is like Blackout again.
Once
Even's a
again,
wild.
serve number 7247. First number is up. First number is 7575. $69, 69. I 25, 25.
I have one of each, please. The last 2 games.
Last 2 games.
Yes, please. Thank you.
9, number 9.
Cherry picking.
So
37, 37.
yeah, I give mom and dad both their tips, and so they're buying all their
3,
tabs.
number 3. Thirty-one, 3-1.
Cherry pickings.
43, 4-3. Take the last winner.
Cherry pickings.
15, 1-5. One, number 1. 45, 4-5. 51, 5-1. 29, 2-9.
Cherry pickings.
4, please.
Okay. Sorry.
Are you good?
13, 1-3.
Thank you.
Good
Love.
luck. Cherry pickings.
57, 5-7.
Last call for Bonanza. 2 for 5.
If I got you.
Cherry pickings.
67,
We go to
6-7.
Brad. Okay, so the first block I have 31.
Oh,
31,
no, too soft. She's by herself.
57.
57.
Where?
The third one is 43, 57,
I want this
67.
one. It's it.
43, 57, 67 last.
The fourth one is 9.
9,
And the fifth one is 57. And
30,
3.
Wait.
37,
No,
Yep.
3 and 57.
3 and 57.
That's it.
Okay. Do we have any others?
Here inside.
Only with one that done?
Just one in the back.
All right, close the game. We'll make the winner. Close the game.
Cherry pickings.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Just him by himself? Okay. Hold on. Yeah.
All right, next game is Bonanza. So we're still in Bonanza. 825. All the even numbers and the sevens are wild as well.
God, man, it took forever. It set me up a long time.
First number is up.
Bonanza. Okay, this one is Blackout, guys.
First number is I 19. 19.
19.
O 75. 75. B 9. Number 9. G 53. 5 3.
All right, y'all, let's do it again, okay?
I 23. 2 3.
Feels good to yell bingo again. It's been so long.
O 69. 6 9. G 59. 5 9. And 33-33. B13-13 Powerball. And 41-41. B15-15. And 35-35. B5, number
We
5.
want the back.
Jeez.
B with the back on
20, 2, 3, 4, 9.
45. Cut down to 4 numbers. No, they need 41.
was that. You sure? There it goes. Give me 1 second.
Yeah, 41 went. It did. It went 41 one up.
Okay, once again, Linda.
Okay, guys. This game is next. Surf and Turf. This is the big game.
2, 3, 4, 9.
This one pays out $3,000. $3,000 Surf and Turf. Okay, only 4 numbers.
Do you have any others?
Parent time.
4 numbers.
Oh, one winner, Linda?
Just one winner.
Right, close game. One winner.
Big money, big money.
All right, next game is our 23.98 game. Actually, 3,000. 3,000. Jackpot. Game 26. Game Surf and Turf. Surf and Turf.
All right, let's go. Surf and Turf.
All right.
Let's
Surf
go.
and Turf, 3,000.
12, 25, 56, 74.
First numbers up for Surf and Turf. 3,000 Jackpots. First number is 45-45. 14-14. 60-60.
Cherry tickets to the back meeting room. Cherry tickets to the back meeting room.
Number 6.
Let's go. Come on. Throw them up. I've never run this game.
65-65.
Oh, neighbors are coming.
26-26.
Look at that, neighbors on both sides.
75-75. 42-42. 51-51. 28-28. 69-69. 49-49. 37-37. 71-71. 50-50. 21-21. 36-36. 33-33.
Looking neighbors again.
11-11. 15-15. Second last winner.
Fuck, I do.
23-23.
Volunteers coming out the last top of the night. American money 1,500. American money 1,500.
32, 32. Bingos ball, 32. Wait for the card.
25 in the window is my first number. Look at that. Hey, bingo. And only have one number called. That's okay. Any other chances?
All right, we got 296. We got 15, 32 last, 20, and 71. Did we have any others?
All through the back.
All right, cool. One left winner. Okay.
Alright. So this is the last paper game, guys. The last paper game.
All right, our next game is game 27. One card game pack. One card game pack. One number 37.
The last paper game before the end of the night, or before the rest of the strips and all that other good stuff. So looking for a 1 card 8 pack. Okay, 1 card 8 pack. 7's a while.
First number's up.
8 pack.
Last call for Scrappy Dogs, Teddy Bears, and Lost and Found. Those 3 games are being played back to back. Everyone. First number is N44. 44. Oh, 65. 65.
40, please. Thank you.
Oh, 74. 74. Powerball. B12. 1, 2.
Look at that. Both of those were my numbers. Both of those were my numbers. The last game.
And 33. 33. Oh, 68. 68. I 26, 2, 6. And 38, 3, 8. I 21, 2, 1. Oh, 61, 6, 1. And 35, 3, 5. G 51, 5, 1.
One card 8 pack.
Oh, 70, 7, 0. B goes all 70.
Woo! Alright, let me open
Card number
these.
22234.
There we have it. Do we have it?
All through the back. All through the back.
Up here.
It's alright. Use just the number. Alright, let's see.
Scrappy Dogs next. Also, Teddy Bears and also Tommy came back to back last call for all the strips.
Looking for Scrappy Dog. covered up, just like all the other games. Either or. Let's get another win, guys. America's money. Let's get the holder. Or a number.
All right, for the numbers up, for number dogs. First number is 61. 61.
61.
20.
20.
The last winner. $57. 57.
57.
22. 22. 18. 18. 48. 48.
America's
69.
money.
69.
25. 26 or 29, please. 69.
70. 70.
Is that 29?
Yes, please. Make it 30.
68.
And then
68.
he wants
How many?
10. 30. Dad, bring your 10.
Oh, yeah.
46.
I'll take
46.
Thank you. 46.
23. 23. 1. Number 1.
Oh, we got that in from 25. So there's that. 1,
24. 24.
2, 4. 34.
34. 34. 12. 1, 2. 64. 64. 39. 39. 71. 71.
I am
55. 55. 54. 54. 38. 38.
America's money.
25. 25.
2, please. 7.
7. Number 7.
25. 63. Thank you.
Hold on. No, I wasn't doing that.
63. 63.
Thank you.
6. Number 6. $51. 51. 31. 31. 40. 40. 73. 73.
America's money.
55-0. 17-7. 33, 3,
Three
3.
more in the back, three more in the back.
I got down to 3. Yeah.
Yes.
You marked every single number.
Pardon me?
You marked every single number.
What do you have?
Oh,
Oh, no, that's fine.
Okay, we have 1 and 7.
1 and 7.
24,
The what?
23,
24, 23.
17,
Got it there?
33,
33 last.
38,
38.
34.
4, okay.
The duo we have
So we have 2 more strips and then just a few more games, guys, and then that's it.
14.
Thank you all for rocking with me. Thank you to Ruby. Thank you to Renee and everyone else that's been here.
and 70. Thank you.
Okay. Once again, just a further reminder, when you guys are grabbing strips, please do not dab every single number. Just dab the one that I am calling. It makes it easier for myself and the verifier when they're verifying the strip. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Only dab the number that's called. Thank you. As it's on program.
All right. So the gate. Well, let's go to that group this time, y'all.
We still have a few more games.
Next one is Teddy Bear. Teddy Bear strip.
Teddy
We got
Bear.
$2,000 for Teddy Bear strip. No thanks.
So this is just like all the other ones again, Blackout style.
$1,000 for Teddy Bear strip.
America's money.
All right, the number is 2. Number 2. $53, 5, 3. 60, 60. 59, 5, 9. There's still a few American money going around. Next number,
Aria, thank you, love.
41, 41. Please purchase before they run out for American money. $39, 39.
America's money.
22, 0. 37, 37.
49.
49, 4, 9. 1, number 1. $72, 72. 16, 16. 55, 5, 5. Last call for lost and found. Still being sold. 58, 5, 8. 75, 7, 5. 2828.
Cheers. Yeah, I'll take them. You know, just walking
57
around.
57. 6767. 6464. 1818. 5454. 6868. 7171. 2121. 6, number 6. 4, number 4. 3636. 1919. 4343. 2525. 2626. Bingo's called at 26. Please put your card. Last call for lost and found.
Like, I needed two. This one. 12 and 13, 61, 74.
I
B&O.
have 246.
Two numbers. This one and this one. That's it.
1826 class.
1826 last.
Oh, so this one for 71 because they call 67. It's either or. So I just picked one out. So since I got 67, I didn't need it.
72, 75.
Up there
All
inside.
right, one more strip and then onto the pull tabs, guys. And then that's
Up there.
it. Thanks again for rocking with me, guys. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Okay, so lost and found, same way, same concept, okay? Let's go, either or. Lost and found. You play the wrong one. Play that one now. Throw that away. It's okay. Just use another color, Mom. That's the one. That's the one we played just now. Well, it's okay. Just play it again. Use another color.
Or lost and found.
Just play. I don't know, Mom. Maybe you have it. You put it in the wrong order. Use a different color.
2222.
Sorry, Mom. I wasn't watching you.
Thank you, last winner. 6666. 4848.
That's right. Out the door, guys. Come on.
4242.
Yeah, she paid the wrong one.
3737.
Okay.
Please have your tickets ready. We have a volunteer doing payouts. Please
play.
have your tickets ready for payouts. Everyone, payouts.
You never know, Mom.
Next number 4545. 4747. 7070.
'You tuned it? Yeah, no, you played it right. Mom did. It's okay.
60-60.
Yeah, that's the right one. Then.
Number one. 68-68.
Okay, what are you talking about?
5. Number 5.
Hold on, I'll check after this game.
63-63. 11-11. 41-41. 72-72. 55-55. 44-44.
What are you doing? Are you playing your game?
65-65. 61-61.
Ito, Pepo.
29-29. 36-36. 54-54. 25-25. 31-31. 24-24. 67-67. 74-74. 8. Number 8. 3. Number 3.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
13. 1-3.
16.
16. 1-6. 33-33. 38-38. We goes all 38. Victoria Clark.
Got down to 3. Ugh. Mom, those are the last 2. You probably was thinking Scrappy Dog again. You remember? Yeah, that was at the very beginning. But you kept getting you got those mixed up at the beginning too.
I have 8-13.
It's okay, just throw it away, Mom.
29, 36, 37, 38.
Mom played the wrong shit.
47, 48.
So this game we're playing right now, she played it
61,
earlier.
63.
The game right before.
On their inside, I'll do the
Our
back.
pull tab's not that big. Yeah, that's it. Those are the last 2.
All right, we're going to review.
Mom, you just played that. You played the wrong game. You just switched it.
Our first entry.
Now it's all the pull tabs. You were right. Yeah, you just played the wrong one first.
For those who didn't tonight, thank you for supporting.
But how come you didn't look at her papers to see what she was playing?
Next week. Once again, first entry
You have charm?
is
Mom? Dad, you have charm?
Sir number 8 is 7.
All right, guys. Pull tab time. These are the last ones. I only have 4. So while I'm cleaning up, thank you everybody for rocking with us. Thank you so much to both Ruby and Renee for moderating. I appreciate it. And yeah, let's get some more out the door. Trees of charm out the door. Oh, I don't have that one.
First number is 54. 54. 58. 58. 9. Number 9.
Look at that. 9's already set. 9 needs one more number.
10. 1 0. 62. 62. 65. 65.
You probably just had them in the wrong order, Mom.
47. 47. 21. 2 1.
2 is on. Look at that.
16. 1 6.
Ooh, 1 is on back to back.
61. 6 1.
13 is on.
28. 2 8.
11 is up.
11. 1 1. 66. 6 6.
Oh, and 13 came through.
13.
Mom's number.
1 3. Bingo's called 13.
Who is that? Did he really chasing? Oh no, it's another person. Okay.
That's number 775. We got 13 last, 28, and 15. Do we have any bids?
All three in the back.
All right, close the gate. We'll look at the winner. Close the gate. Next one is Lightning Elvis.
Lightning Elvis, you had that one?
Sir number 8 is 396 for Lightning Elvis.
Huh? No, I don't have that one. I'm putting my stuff away, Mom. I'm putting my other stuff up. Oh, careful. Hold on.
All right, first number is up for Lightning Elvis.
Wait until we're done. Yes. Yeah, the gray one is going better together.
First number is 25. 25. 29. 29.
Yeah, Elvis, you don't have it.
45. 45. 40. 40. 64. 64. 35. 35. 38. 38. 43. 43. 36. 36. 2. Number 2. 12. 1 2. 7. Number 7. 8. Number 8. Thank you, last winner. 14. 1 4. 71. 71. 42. 42. 68. 68. 72. 72. Bingo is called at 72. Here's my department. All right, we got 396. We got 8. We got 40. And we got 72 laps. Do we have any others?
All three in the back.
All right, okay. One lucky winner.
Let's see what the next one is. Our 4 games, guys, is a cherry.
Horse and around is next. Horse and around, also 2,500. Server number 8908 for a tag game called Horse and around.
I have 2 for row 1, row 2, row 3, and 13.
First number's up for Horse and around. First number is for number 4. $63, 63. 48, 48. 23, 23. 55, 0. 47, 47. 58, 58.
Let's do it.
70, 70. 26, 26. 9, number 9. 44, 44. 21, 21. 20, 20. 18,
We
18.
go in the back. We go in the back.
Please bring it up.
1848. So I had it. I rolled on, but I didn't like it. Yeah. So value made the fact I didn't call it that. And then these ones didn't even play. Alright, so that one's done.
908, 1848, 63.
So now, cherry pickings, American money, spare change.
All right, we got 98. We got 18 laps, 48, and 63. All clear. Close the game. One lucky winner in the back. All right, we got David 1, 2, 3 tonight. David 1, 2, 3. Starting for 8, 5, 6, 7. This way the game works is 1 ball is 1 winner.
I don't have this one.
After 2 balls, you have to have 2 balls back to back. After ball is the second winner, and that ball is the third winner. David 1, 2, 3.
David 1, 2, 3. Alright, guys. These are our last games. Okay? So let's see how we do.
All right, first number's up for David 1, 2, 3. Who has 23? Big up.
Yep, let's sort the first number out, and then the next set of 2 numbers, and then the last is the 3.
Server number 567 and 23. All right, let's continue.
Alright, let's do it. We'll do it on spare change.
21, 2, 1,
Sorry, guys.
70, 7, 0.
I'm gonna raise it up to the TV so you can see.
33, 33. Bingo is called on 33.
Okay. So.
All right, we got 5, 6, 7. We got 33 laps and 70. Out there in the back.
All three in the back.
All right,
All right, so now one last chance for them for all three numbers.
All right, next number, 34, 34. Now we're playing for the dab ball only. 45, 45. 59, 59. 71, 71. 29, 29. 4, number 4.
Thank you, Fire. Good night,
52, 52. 67, 67. 5, number 5. 10, 1,
Bingo
0.
in the back.
Bingo in the back on 10. For the dab off.
Nah, I thought it was. It's only 9:30. 9:33. All right. I believe the next three games.
You want to take first?
How come you didn't look at her papers? Mom, remember, because at the very beginning, you even had questions
All right,
about
we
it too, and I
got 5,
told
6,
you.
7.
So it was probably just the way you ordered it.
We got 71, 59, and 10 laps.
That's what I
All
was
clear,
saying.
big mom?
It's okay, Mom.
All right, close the game. 3 lucky winners.
All right, guys. Let's see.
All right, spare change is a share
All
jackpot.
right, spare change. Spare change.
Sir number 8
Okay.
is 4.
We have row 10 and row 5.
We have spare change.
We have row
Be
5
ready.
and row 10, so let us run. Row 5 and row 10. Yeah, we still haven't played those yet. All right, let's see what it got. Okay, so row 5, row 10.
Here's number 56, 56,
Look at that, 11 over
39, 39,
row 9.
65, 65,
My 5 is out.
52, 52, 22,
Look
0,
at that, my 5 is running already.
33, 33, 32, 32, 16, 16, 41, 41,
Come on, row 10, wake up.
3, number 3, 28, 28, 34, 34, 22, 22, 60, 60, 75, 75, 57, 57,
Wow.
13, 13, 47, 47, 59, 59, 53, 53, 44, 44,
And my row still hasn't come out yet.
54, 54,
14 got it.
74, 74, bingo is called, 74,
Look at that.
bingo last winner.
Row 6 and row
We're
10
looking for the spare change.
were the only two who didn't run. 6 and row 10.
Okay, please bring it up.
All right, we have two more chances. We have cherry pickings for
We got
$11.99,
410,
and then the debit or the American money. This is the same thing like
44,
spare change.
59, and 74 last.
So I have 1,000 holder. I have 1,750, and then I have 4,500. So
410
anyway,
remaining for 1,000.
wow.
Let's take a look.
Yeah, dá uma olhada essa cara.
You got 410. And the spare change. Alright, close the game. Like winner.
Right.
Cherry Pickens is next.
Okay, cherry pickings. Okay, cherry pickings for $11.99. 4 numbers.
862 for Cherry Pickens.
Yeah, Dad. All right, let's see what it does.
First numbers up for Cherry Pickens. 35, 35. 26, 26. 31, 31. 53, 53. 66, 66. 12, 1, 2. 5, number 5. 41, 41. 50, 5, 0. 10, 1, 0.
That part.
32, 32. 13, 1, 3. 22, 2, 2.
Halfway there.
43, 4, 3. 6, number 6. 2, number 2. 21, 2, 1. 46, 4, 6. 44, 4, 4. 75, 7, 5.
Halfway there.
Number 8. 70,
neighbors.
7, 0. 42, 4, 2. 67, 6, 7. 52, 5, 2. 33, 3, 3. 72, 7, 2. Take the last 2 winners.
Come on, we're waiting. 15.
27, 2, 7.
15, 15. B-ball, B-ball.
39, 3, 9.
B-ball, B-ball. B-ball, B-ball.
56, 5, 6.
Oh
Ball
my
56.
Look at that. 15. What the fuck? 315. Like, do you see that? See how I did this? But then all these other ones came on. This one tripped me out. 70, 71, and 70, 71 or 72. Yeah. 315.
862,
That's horrible, guys.
221,
221.
56, 70.
All right, last chance with American money.
862, 1321,
1321.
56, 67.
56 last 67.
Last chance. American money.
62,
62.
622,
622.
56, 75.
56 last 75 for 3. Do we have any others?
All here to that.
All right, let's take a look.
6,
We got 862.
6,
We got 8. 56 last. 75 for 1. 6.
9.
We
All
got
right, we have row
862.
3, 5,
We got 2.
6, 9, and 13. Come on, let's get 13.
862. We got 13. 56 last 21 and 67 for 3. Close the game. 3 last winners. Close the game. Last but not least is American Money. American Money. Serial number
3, 5, 6, 9, 13.
632. 632.
That one, yeah. No.
First number's up for American Money.
All right, let's go.
First number is 9.
Nine.
Number 9. 7. Number 7. 11, 1. 49, 49. 62, 62. 29, 29. 25, 25.
This one
3,
is
number
done.
3. 20, 20. 34, 34. 8, number 8. 4, number 4.
4 got it.
It was calling 4.
All right, y'all. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. Have a good night, and I will see you when I see you again, okay? Bye.